Welcome to this tutorial on Bernafon Oasisnxt. Oasisnxt is the software which you need to program Bernafon hearing instruments. My name is Chris. Today I will take you through the End Session section of the software. Before you end the programming session and save the data, you may want to check on a few last settings. End Session has several submenus including Controls, Indicators, Batteries, and Save and Quit. Controls has 3 tabs. Depending on the instrument selected, not all features will be available. In general, you can activate and synchronize the volume control and program change, adjust the volume control range and step size, and activate remember volume settings. In call controls, you can activate and synchronize button controls and tap control. In tinnitus, you can activate and synchronize the tinnitus volume control and adjust the tinnitus volume control range. Indicators has 3 tabs. Depending on the instrument selected, not all features shown will be available. In audible indicators, you can turn the various indicators on and off, play a demonstration to make sure your client can hear the indicator, and set the frequency and volume level of the indicator according to the client's preference. A Visual Indicators tab can be seen when certain instruments are fitted. They can be used at the same time as audible indicators, or you can select between audible and visual indicators for your client. The SoundClip A Ringtones tab will be available even if there is no SoundClip A paired with the hearing instruments. In this tab, you can access various ringtones for accessories which have been paired with the SoundClip A. The Batteries tab is only available when rechargeable instruments are being fitted. The current battery level gives the percentage of the battery charge. The Battery Health Indicator tells you about the overall condition of the battery. It indicates whether the battery is in good condition or gives a recommendation to replace the battery. Save and Quit provides an overview of the programs which have been created. Data logging is turned on by default, but can be deactivated here, as well as conversation data logging. Binaural communication can be deactivated, and the startup delay time set. End Session allows you to save the settings to the hearing instrument.